Hey everyone, Set It Are Your Cars. Today we've got this 2012 62 registered Volvo C30. This one's the 2 litre petrol model, 143 horsepower I do believe. It's a 62 plate facelift. It's finished in Rebel Blue. It's got the graphite grey wheels and it's absolutely stunning. It's got 11 services, all Volvo up until the most recent one which we've carried out. It's got the LED DRLs, the Kratos wheels, as I say, all finished in a graphite grey. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just 2 owners. Barely a mark on it. We'll find a couple of stone chips, but nothing other than that. ULEZ compliant as well, being a petrol model. It's got the rear park assist. It's got the black interior. Reg number there to carry out any checks that you may wish to do. It's clearly wanted for nothing throughout its life. It really is lovely. We've not even replaced these badges. These badges we usually have to replace because they're quite faded, but we've not even had to do that on this. It's such a nice car. Let's show you inside. We're starting with the boot. All very clean and tidy. No funny smells or anything. No spare wheel in this one, but there is room. You've got your compressor kit there, toolkit, lock and wheel key, and warning triangle. I think we've got a load cover for it as well. Don't know why it's not in it. I'm assuming the valet has left it out, perhaps to dry. But yeah, very clean and tidy in there. Inside, again, excellent. It's got the black R design seats with minimal to nowhere at the bottom. There's a tiny bit of cracking just started there. Other than that, very good. If you've looked at a few of these, you'll see that the driver's seats are very common for splitting. The rears don't look as though they've ever been sat in, but you've got the Isofix and the centre armrest if you want. Just very well cared for car. Even the pedals are mint look. It's got the auto lights. I think they may be adaptive, but don't quote me on that. The centre console, excellent. Cup holders here in the centre. Auxiliary and USB input just there. I'll just lower my seat so I can actually get in and start the car for you, so you can see there's no warnings. So there you go, no warnings, no funny noises. You can see it's cold and the mileage is 84,851. Bluetooth phone controls, cruise control, the R-Design steering wheel, which again, super condition. We have got the high performance sound system in this one, AM and FM radio, but we've also got CD auxiliary, USB, and the all important Bluetooth audio, so you can stream music from your phone providing it is compatible. Dual climate control, ice cold aircon, full set of genuine mats. Handbooks are all in the glove box, and that is it. You will not find a better example than this. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.